Wasn't that fun? Let's try something else.
45 caliber killer, but out of the filler. Delabrilla, show your brothers how you not a gorilla. Smooth talking, fully automatic weapon concealer. Take Skrilla, break pillars, hit 'em with the Godzilla. Filthy stinking, standing on solid ground and still be sinking. Submerging in the parts, but still be linking. Plug beef when it starts to poke, you're thinking it's not a mirage. I'm in a motherfucking tractor from out the garage. With a if you can duck, but it's hard to dodge. In the back of that spine where my darts is lodged. Don't flip it straight up, ripping apart your squad. Execution in style that cuts and blends like a syringe, banging you in each of your limbs. See me coming through your party hard without no bodyguard, smoking something, stomping on each of your Timbs. I'm the B to the L, the A to C king, and when it come to planning the thought, the key thing, man.
As time began to burn, like a startling sign that fate had finally found me, and your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the thoughts cross the distance in your eyes. Give me reason to fill this hole, connect the space between. Let it be enough to reach the truth that lies across this new divide. There was nothing inside but memories left abandoned. There was nowhere to hide, the ashes fell like
Hindi mo
snow.
about sa kasaba sa imong silingan nga naay negosyo nga lambiran.
Kaya lang ito yung makasulti, hindi ko siya natin. Hindi ko naman kayo bawalan, kaya gilagaan mo sila o kanang way sa barangay nga okay lang.
Atuan. Pero
Kami, wala, may kumita.
okay lang kayo mo bukang sa. Pero nakadisturbo ba ni sa inyong pamuyo?
Medyo lang.
Saan sa nabaraan niya?
Public gusto ba? Pero adlaw lang naman, gabi wala man.